Three words: welcoming, supportive, and family. I joined APDO Conference since 2016, and I found it APDO members were very welcoming, and I feel included even I'm from Hong Kong, and it provides the information that I need to know to become a PO. I found the topics in the conference are so wide and inspirational and knowledgeable that I still find it very useful to bring my profession to the next level. So I recommend everyone, even you start to become a PO or you are in business for years now, you should become an APDO member and come to conference.